I'm going to sing a song which you probably all know. Carly Simon, You're So Vain. Just have another glass of wine.
I'll get you a glass of wine, bud.
Well, you walked into the party like you were walking onto a yacht. You had strategically dipped below one eye. Your scarf, it was apricot. You had one eye in the mirror and you watched yourself going by. And all the girls dreamed that they'd be your partner, they'd be your partner, and you're so vain. You probably think the song is about you, you're so vain. Well, you had me several years ago when I was still quite naive, and you said that we made such a pretty pair and that you would never leave. Well, you gave away the things you loved, and one of them was me. I had some clouds, they were crowds in my coffee, dreams in my coffee, and you're so vain. You probably think the song is about you, you're so vain. Well, I hear you won up to Saratoga, where your horse naturally won. And then you flew your little Jude over to Nova Scotia to see the total eclipse of the sun. Well, you're where you should be all the time, and when you're not, you're with some underworld spy or the wife of a close friend, wife of a close friend. Oh, you're so vain. You probably think the song is about you, you're so vain. You're so vain.